Let's open with the whole system. Hermes is not just a model answering text, it is a loop. It builds context, calls a model, runs tools when needed, folds the results back in, and only stops when it can give a useful final answer. A turn begins with a user message. That message may arrive from Telegram, the CLI, an API adapter, or another entry point. Hermes gives the turn an identity, appends it to the session, and prepares the runtime before any model call happens. Next, Hermes builds the effective prompt. This is where the agent becomes more than a chat box. System instructions, memory, skills, environment hints, tool schemas, and the current conversation shape the request the model will actually see. Hermes then routes the request through the active provider mode. The internal conversation stays in an OpenAI-style shape, while adapters translate it for chat completions, codex responses, or Anthropic messages. Now the model reaches a branch. If it returns regular text with no tool calls, the turn can finish. If it returns tool calls, Hermes treats that as an action request, not as a final answer. When tool calls appear, Hermes executes real tools. Some calls run sequentially, especially interactive ones. Safe independent batches can run concurrently, and guardrails, plugins, checkpoints, and result handling surround the dispatch path. The result then comes back as evidence. Hermes appends tool role messages with the actual observation, links them to the tool call IDs, and loops back to the model with a richer context than before. Long turns need protection. Hermes persists the session, can compress context before or after model calls, and uses memory for durable facts that should survive across sessions. This keeps the loop useful without pretending the context window is infinite. Real systems fail, so the loop has recovery lanes. API calls can be interrupted, stale requests can be killed, malformed histories can be repaired, empty responses can be retried, and provider fallback can activate when configured. When the model finally returns usable text without tool calls, Hermes appends the final assistant message, runs the turn finalizer, persists the clean session, logs why the turn ended, and delivers the response back to the user. So the simplest mental model is this. Hermes keeps asking, do I have enough verified evidence to answer? If yes, it responds. If no, it acts, observes, updates context, and loops,